In this video, I explain how to calculate Pearson correlation coefficient in Python. At first step, in your Jupyter notebook, you import NumPy as NP. NumPy library deals with the dataset. And another library that we need, scipy.stats, import Pearson R, because we calculate Pearson R coefficient. So here we write our data set, which is one variable is x. Any data set that you want to provide, calculate correlation. So I write 5 data points in y. 45, 65, 70, 77. These are the 5 observations. So zero order correlation, simple correlation or Pearson correlation are the same names of the correlation among two variables. I also made a separate video on zero order correlation. What is the difference between zero order correlation and simple correlation? So you can find its link at end screen. So R P underscore value is equal to Pearson R. Pearson R is the function. Pearson R is the function. Write the function and then in parentheses write the variable which you want to calculate, x and y. Use print command to take the result. F is represent the function, inverted comma, zero order correlation R colon, and in braces write the small. So these are the name that we want to write in front of your result, and R is the command that call the function which calculate Pearson R correlation. So click on run command. Here you can find the correlation coefficient is 0.86 among these two variables, means high positive correlation. So as you know, in print command, F represent the function and inverted commas zero order correlation into R and semicolons. These are the statement that you print here, and this R is the function that you call with respect to the print command. If you like video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel Statisticians Club. Thanks for watching.